Hey, what's up guys? This one's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to show you how to buy your number in Twilio and then connect it to Retell. And if you want any agents or automations, there'll be a website down below. Just click it and contact us or book an appointment. Okay, so once you're in, go to Australia or United States. I'm just going to choose Australia. It doesn't matter where you buy your number from. And then, so I need a number in New Zealand, so I'm going to search up New Zealand. And the annoying thing about New Zealand is that all the numbers don't have SMS capability. You have to get a short code, but maybe it might be the same for your country. Probably won't be. But yeah, all these numbers have voice capability. But what I'm going to do is search up +643 because I'm from Christchurch and that's our code. So I'll just buy this number right here. And go next. And then, so I've got a business regulatory bundle set up. You'll have to set that up on whatever basis you are, whether you're a business or an individual. And so just assign. And yeah, so I just went ahead and assigned that. So now I'll just buy the number. Now what I'll do is I'll close this, go active numbers. So if I come here, there's no SIP trunk. So what we're going to do is come to explore products. And then we'll scroll down and we'll find elastic SIP or SIP trunking. And then just click on this drop down. And so I'm closest to Australia, so I'm going to choose Australia. Okay, so now it's showing up elastic SIP. So let me click on manage and then click on trunks. So now I'll just click on create new SIP trunk, and I forgot what that one was called, but I'll just call it tutorial. I usually just call it the number of the phone number. Yeah, once you're in. Okay, so once you're in, you're gonna want to scroll down and turn on call transfer. Tick that box as well, enable PSTN transfer, and click on save. And then we'll go termination, and then termination SIP URI. So I'll just put, let me just say entry automates tutorial, and that should be good. And then what we want to do is click on credential list. So click on create new credential list. I kind of need that number, so I'm just going to go back and grab it. So I'll click on credential list and I'll just name it the number, and the username I'll just go Dimitri, and then I'll put the password as, I won't say the password out loud. I'll click on create, and now I'll just click on save. So that's good now. And then click on origination. And so for this, we're going to need to go to Retell, just in the Retell documentation. And the documentation under Twilio or under custom telephony overview, click on Twilio and scroll down. And this right here will be your origination URL. Now click on add new origination, paste that in there and just edit. Okay, that should be good now. Now that should already be saved. So now we just go to numbers. Click on add a number up here and go add an existing number. So I've only got one number on here, so click on add selected. So now that's good. So now we'll come to Retell and then we'll go to phone numbers on this left hand side. Then I'm just going to click on this plus sign here. I'm going to click on connect to your number via SIP. We add this in. I think we need to add the plus in at the beginning. Yeah, and your SIP trunk username will be whatever you put it as. 3565. Let's copy that, paste that in there. And so yeah, everything needs to be like the exact same. And then I'll just put the phone number as the nickname. I'll save that. Okay, so first let's check if the inbound works. Let me call it up. So 03565 4780. Okay.
Hello, this is Brian from Basic Solutions. How may I help you today?
Hey Brian. Okay, so the inbound works. Now, yeah, there always seems to be a problem with the outbound. Yeah, so I'm just editing the video, and this custom URI, it should work like if you're in the United States or anything like with the outbound calls. But the next method I'm going to show you is just like if you're in a country like where I'm from, like it doesn't let you trigger outbound calls for some reason unless you have this sort of specific URI. So yeah, and then so for the termination SIP, so for some reason the outbound calling doesn't work unless you do this. So I'll have to put this in, and I'll just remove this right here, DH1, and then I'll just save that. The New Zealand numbers don't do outbound on Retell unless you have this as your SIP. And so, yeah, put that as your SIP. But anyways, so I'll click on plus. I'll go connect your number via SIP. Then my phone number. So what is my phone number? This is my phone number here. click on that. I'll paste it in. Then my URI, this one here I just created. So paste that in. And then the username, so I think the username was this, the number. And then my password, add that in. Then the nickname, I'll use the number again, and I'll click on save. Let's check if the inbound is working. So I'll connect that, and I'll click on this.
Hello, this is Brian from Basic Solutions.
Okay, so we can see that the inbound is working. And then let's do a outbound. And then we click call. And I'm getting a call. As you guys can see, so yeah. So that's how you connect that's how you buy a number in Twilio and connect it to Retell. It's a little bit messy, but the New Zealand numbers are a bit tricky. I know most people will probably use AI agents for inbound, but you know, got to cover that as well. Yeah, if you guys liked the video or found it helpful, then leave a like, comment anything else you guys might want to see, or if the video was good or bad, or if you're having any trouble. If you guys want to connect with me on LinkedIn. Subscribe for more content around AI, automation, agents, and tools.